Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, good afternoon. How are you today? How is your afternoon?
I'm good.
Yes. Yes, Kim?
I'm good.
You are good. How about girls? Fadir, how are you today? I am fine. Very good. How about the girls at the back? How are you there? Hmm?
ถ่ายเท่ที่เชื่อเนาะ
How is your money so far? Tom,
What?
how is your Monday so far?
It's going well.
Yeah, it's going well. Very good. According to Tom, his Monday is going well. Okay, so are you ready for our lesson for today? Okay, do you have your book with you? Okay, please open your book to page 100. Okay? Please open your book to page 100. And the topic for this week is all about World Heritage Sites. Do you know what do you mean by heritage? How do you say this in Thai? Heritage. Like for example, the Taj Mahal. Another one, we have the Eiffel Tower. Those are what we call World Heritage Sites. Okay, what is that in Thai?
สิ่งมหัศจรรย์
Again?
บนโลกสิ่งมหัศจรรย์
Okay, very good. Now, before we proceed to our lesson, everybody quiet. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us have our vocabulary drill. Okay? I have here 10 vocabulary words. Okay, just repeat after me. Everybody say heritage.
heritage
Number 2, protect.
protect
Number 3, endangered.
endanger
Number 4, cultural.
cultural
Number 5, natural.
natural
Number 6, famous.
famous
ไม่ใช่ famous. Famous.
famous
Number 7, danger.
danger
Number 8, wonderful.
wonderful
Number 9, damage.
damage
And number 10, tourist.
tourist
Okay, you read by yourself. Number 1.
heritage
Number 2.
heritage
Number 3.
endanger
Number 4.
cultural
Number 5.
natural
Number 6.
famous
Number 7.
danger
Number 8.
wonderful
Number 9.
heritage
Number 10.
tourist
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I will call someone to read.
ฮะถ่ายด้วยเหรอ
One from boys and one from girls. I want.
Kim.
Hmm?
Kim.
I want you. Okay?
Kim. Kim. Kim.
Okay, please. Okay, number 1.
Heritage.
Again.
โดน
Heritage.
Heritage.
Number 2.
Protect.
Number 3.
Endangered.
Very good. Number 4.
Cultural.
Number 5.
Natural.
Number 6.
Famous.
Number 7.
Danger.
Number 8.
Wonderful.
Number 9.
Damage.
Number 10.
Tourist.
Okay, very good. How about tough? Stand up and read properly.
Educate.
Heritage, protect, endanger, cultural, natural, famous, danger, wonderful, damage, tourist.
Very good. Clap your hands for tough. Okay, how about Padar? Yes? I want two from the girls. Okay, Padar.
Heritage, protect, endanger, cultural, natural, famous, danger, wonderful, damage, tourist.
Very good. Okay, another one. Okay, before we proceed to the translation. Okay, let's go with the twin, Fadir. Okay?
Heritage, protect, endanger, cultural, natural, famous, danger, wonderful, damage, tourist.
Okay, very good. Clap your hands for Fadir. The twins are great. Okay, now
อืม
we talk of heritage, what do you mean by that? Anyone? How do you say that in Thai? Heritage in Thai means what? Again?
สิ่งมหัศ
I will
จร
show
รย์
later the correct translation of the vocabulary words. Okay, how about the word protect? How do you say this in Thai?
ปกป้อง
Please remember the translation, and then I will confirm later if it's correct. Number 3, endangered. Hmm?
ไม่อันตราย
Anyone can guess? Okay. I will tell you the meaning later. How about cultural?
วัฒนธรรม
How about natural?
ธรรมชาติ
How about famous? Meaning to say you are popular, famous.
ความ
Danger.
อันตราย
Wonderful.
สวยงาม
What do you mean by wonderful stuff?
อัศจรร
Okay,
ย์
how about damage? Hmm?
Damage.
Destroyed, damage.
ทำลาย
Tourist. Okay, let's go with the translation. Okay, let's define first. Okay, when we talk of heritage, things passed down from the past. Okay? Like for example, one of the famous heritage sites, number 1 is Taj Mahal, located in India.
India.
The Eiffel Tower, located in
ปารีส
Paris, France.
France.
How about the pyramid?
อียิปต์
Egypt. Very good. How about the golden Buddha?
อ๋อ
The golden Buddha.
พาม่า
Huh?
พระทองคำ
The golden Buddha in Thailand. Do we have it right?
Yeah.
Yes. How about the Angkor Wat? Cambodia. Very good. Number 2, protect. To get something safe from harm. Okay? We are going to protect someone. Okay? So that he will be away from any harm. Number 3, endangered. At risk of disappearing or being destroyed. Like for example, our wild animals. They are considered endangered. Why? Because they are at risk of disappearing, meaning to say will be gone or being destroyed. That's why we are going to protect them. Like for example, our wild animals. Who can give an example of wild animals? In the Philippines, one of the endangered species we have here is the eagle. Yes. Because we are afraid that someday there will be no more eagles in the Philippines. That's why we consider eagles as what? Endangered species in the Philippines. And then, here in Thailand, we have endangered animals. Elephant, yes, that's correct. Elephant is considered endangered animal. And then cultural related to traditions and belief. Number 4, everybody read natural. Okay, very good. Coming from nature, not made by people. Once it is made by people, it is no longer natural. Okay? Give me an example of natural resources. Do we have?
Nothing.
Especially here in Thailand.
Oil. Teacher.
Hmm?
Those people count as natural.
Yes, that's correct. What else? Trees. Very good.
ริเวอร์
River. Some rivers are man-made.
สวย
Yes, some are natural.
Oil. Teacher. Oil.
Oil? Yeah. Yes, that's correct. Natural. From what? From the deep soil. Another one. Famous. Known by many people. Who knows someday him will be famous in Thailand. Are you expecting that Kim will be famous in Thailand? Yes, he will be the superstar in Thailand.
Famous in negative thing, teacher.
Oh, famous in negative things. Are you okay with that?
เพราะว่าสิ่งที่ไม่ดี
Oh. How about danger? Something that can cause harm or injury. Don't go there. It's very dangerous, or it might be, or you might be in danger. Okay? Next, wonderful. How are you today? You say, teacher, I am feeling wonderful today. Okay, very good, beautiful, or amazing. The last is damage, harm done to something. Okay, let's proceed to the translation, if it's correct. Your translation earlier, you have mentioned, okay, let's confirm that if it's correct. Okay. Heritage and pasatay means, we will have our guess the word. Okay, we still have a short activity. Try to guess this word. I scrambled the letters, and then all you have to do, you have to guess what word is that. Okay? Number 1. What word is that?
Heritage.
Okay, heritage. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check. Heritage. Number 2.
Project.
Huh?
Project.
Protect. Spell the word protect.
P-R-O-T-E-C-T.
Okay, let's try if it's correct. Okay, correct. Clap your hands. Oh, you're so smart. Woo! Okay, next. Danger. It's correct. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
Natural. What is that?
Famous.
This one.
Damage.
Okay, oh. Here is big, but the projector, I think.
Camera.
Damage. Next.
Tutorial.
What is that?
Tutorial.
Okay, tourist. The last one. Another one.
Natural.
Natural. Next.
Wonderful.
This one. Endangered. Okay, that's correct. Now, all you have to do, please refer this to your book. Open to page 101. Then after that, I'll give you 10 minutes to read. Then after that, there is a 10 questions there, 9 questions by answering true or false. Read the entire reading article, then answer the 9 true or false questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, your 10 minutes starts now. That is only good for 10 minutes. Okay, take your time.